AI tools in 2050, top 7 future technologies. In 2050, the world will look dramatically different due to significant technological advancements. For example, Number 7. Artificial general intelligence has arrived. Artificial general intelligence is any intelligence with the same cognitive performance as an average human in almost all domains. It is also defined as artificial intelligence with human awareness and self-awareness. It is believed to be the most important and influential invention of this century so far. It also shows that technological singularity is beginning very soon, the point at which technological growth becomes uncontrollable and irreversible. In 2050, more general artificial intelligence will be created. Each of this general intelligence is linked to a network of supercomputers and quantum computers, and they are connected to a cloned version of the internet. They have been thoroughly tested in trillions of realistic simulations involving a wide range of activities. Number 6. Nanobots connect our brains to the internet. Nanorobots are small robots built on the nanoscale. Nanobots are usually taken in pill form or injected into the body in some other way. By 2050, nanobots will have replaced some people's smartphones and VR glasses. It is now possible to send nanobots directly into people's brains and connect their neocortex to the internet and various cloud services. This gives the users of these nanorobots constant access to all information in the world and instant access to it. As a result, these users perfectly remember the video, image, text, and audio data they access. The user increases the memory capacity of the brain 1,000,000 times. Nanobots can also provide a fully immersive virtual reality, making people feel as if they are actually somewhere else. This is because the nanorobots control incoming and outgoing brain signals. Number 5. Photorealistic virtual worlds are now planet-sized. This is largely possible because most virtual worlds are now computed and rendered in the cloud. In addition, game developers can make entire cities and landscapes utilizing only their brain activity or simply by writing text describing what they want to create. Advanced game engines are capable of auto-filling information using advanced procedural generation techniques. Many of these worlds are modeled after Earth, but many features can be customized, such as planet size, city locations, day-night cycle, weather, gravity, and more. Almost any variation of any real physical object can be used as an asset in these virtual worlds. Due to the complexity, level of detail, and realism of these worlds, they begin to resemble full-blown simulations. Number 4. Radical life extension is becoming possible. A large number of adults are using gene therapy and nanobots to slow down the aging process by changing the genes that cause aging. These technologies can also prevent common diseases that can cause death, such as cancer and heart disease. So, people born in the 1960s who could have received this treatment are still alive. They are expected to be the longest living people in history. Some predict that this generation will live to be 150 years old or more. The average lifespan of this generation is actually a bit of a mystery. And treatments are improving so quickly that the next generation can live much longer. In addition to slowing aging, gene therapy has given some people typical strength and endurance well beyond their age. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff and upcoming videos. Number 3. Space hotels can be affordable for most people. For the past 3 years, space hotels have been reserved only for the wealthy, with a typical price tag of around $250,000 per room. Space hotels in 2050 will have prices similar to a cruise or a trip to Disneyland. This is mainly because of the advent of space elevators. Transporting people to a space hotel in a space elevator would cost only 1% of the cost of a rocket. Number 2. Designer babies are becoming common for the upper class. Wealthy couples in some countries will now be able to create what they consider the perfect baby in a laboratory. This is done by selecting genetic characteristics like gender, height, eye color, hair color, and hundreds of other characteristics. All of these characteristics can be programmed into embryos before birth. The embryos are then grown in an artificial womb. The most advanced and controversial methods involve manipulating the brain to improve children's intelligence, behavior, and personality. More and more features are added every year. Number 1. Smart clothing is a $1 trillion industry. In the late 2050s, the smart clothing industry will be a $1 trillion industry with sales growing faster than traditional apparel. The most advanced smart clothing includes video or holographic displays on the outside. This type of clothing is often worn at fashion shows and award ceremonies. More traditional types of smart clothing have the following characteristics. They allow users to quickly change the color and texture of clothing to their liking. Because of this ability, it has become common for people to change the look of their clothes several times a day. They can continuously monitor the user's heart rate, breathing, and other vital signs. This alerts the hospital or doctor to the first problem and ensures that users get the help they need. They can convert sunlight into electricity and serve as a portable energy source wherever people go. They provide optimized heating and cooling capacity. They can provide real-time data on the molecular composition of the surrounding air. In addition, using smart gloves, scientists and forensic teams can tap DNA samples and obtain genetic sequences in seconds. In the 2070s, most clothes are expected to be smart clothes and have one or more of these functions. Please give us feedback in the comment section. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe for more quality videos. We appreciate you tuning in. Wishing you a great day.